Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to change your starting location in Waze in 2026. If you want to plan a route from somewhere other than your current location, here's how to do it. First, open the Waze app on your phone. On the main screen, tap the search bar and enter the destination you want to travel to. Select the correct location from the search results. Now, instead of starting navigation immediately, look for the option to set a different starting point. Enter the location where you want your trip to begin, then select the correct place from the results. Waze will now calculate the route from your selected starting location to your destination. You can review the route and check the estimated travel time before starting your trip. Keep in mind that this feature is mainly useful for planning a trip from another location rather than changing your actual GPS position. And that's how to change your starting location in Waze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Waze tutorials.